lovelies, welcome back. It's your girl Katie here, and today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of April's Boxycharm Ipsy box. I don't know really what this is called anymore. I don't know if it's still considered Boxycharm or if it's now Ipsy. It came in an Ipsy box, but they still classify it as like Boxycharm box, and I don't know what the name of this box is anymore. Like normally it would be base box or premium box, but there's been some changes that's come since Ipsy's and Boxycharm have merged. So we'll talk about that. But anyway, so I'm just going to be doing an unboxing of this box, show you guys what all I got, tell you guys my thoughts and opinions and all that good stuff. So to no further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. So let's talk about the changes before I get into the actual box. So for those of you who may or may not know, Boxycharm and I guess Ipsy kind of merged. And I guess Ipsy got rid of some of their boxes and Boxycharm got rid of some of their, I don't really know how it works. So basically what it used to be is Boxycharm would have a base box and a premium box. Well, now there's only one box and they still have, I don't know what the name of it is, but they still basically have their Luxe box, but they just changed the names on them and I don't remember what they were called. But anyways, so the Boxycharm box you get monthly is now, I think, technically like the premium box or what used to be the premium box. So you get 6 items a month and you're now able to customize 3 options, which I think is pretty cool. So I was able to customize 3 of the products in here. So yeah, so that's really the major changes that I saw. So now we only get 1 box a month, and then I'll still get my, I don't know if they still call them Boxyluxe boxes, but you know, the Boxyluxe box quarterly. So those are the changes. And I think they even got rid of their Ipsy boxes. I don't know what they were called. I was never signed up with Ipsy, so I don't know like for sure, but that's what it looked like to me from looking at their website, because now it's all under Ipsy. Boxycharm, I guess the Boxycharm website doesn't exist anymore. Anyways, so going through the box, they didn't send a card, which I was a little annoyed with. I hope that this is just kind of like, since it was their first month of merging, maybe next month they'll send a card, because I do prefer to see like the list of the prices and everything. But Ipsy does have an app, and it wasn't too hard to find all the prices off the app. So anyways, so I'm gonna get all the skincare products out of the way first. So first up is something from JLO Beauty, and it's that fresh cream. It's an eye cream. It's very bougie looking. But this product is one that they actually picked out for me. It's called something, hold on. Let me pull up the app, because they called it something special. I don't remember what it was. Oh, it's your beauty boost. So I don't really know what that means by boost, but it's like they add a beauty boost product. I don't know. Anyways, this retails for $49. I think this is like JLo's brand or something. I don't know. I've never really heard of it. But anyways, pretty cool looking. It's a nice looking eye cream, so there's that. Alright, next up from Saturday Skin, this is their Carrot Moisturizing Cream. This retails for $45. I have gotten Saturday Skin products before in my Boxycharm boxes. I don't think I've gotten this exact one, but you know, it looks like a nice cream. So those are the skincare products out of the way. Then we have something in here from HipDot, and these are 2 sponges, and these retail for $16. I did use this today. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention, I did try out what makeup products that I could use off camera before I film this. That way I can give you guys my first impressions like I usually do. And this is one product that I did use. That's why it looks kind of dirty. This is kind of still wet from me using it. So it's not technically, it wasn't this big originally. It was about the size of the orange one. So we get 2 sponges. They're actually pretty nice quality feeling, like they're very squishy and soft, and I did enjoy using this. I just got it damp and then just used it to apply my foundation. It worked out really well. So I like these. And I didn't even know that HipDot did have sponges, so that's cool. Up next is something from Belle in Argent, and this is their liquid liner, and it's a fine print one. This retails for $20. And by the way, these are 2 of the products that I customize in my box. I don't remember what the other options were, but they were probably skincare or something. I usually try to go for more of the makeup products in the box. But anyways, I did go ahead and use this liner today. That is what I used to create my wing. Yeah, it's a nice pen. I don't know, I'll have to use it a little more, but so far I like it. I think it kind of drug a little bit, like I kind of had to go over a couple of spots just because it felt like it skipped, but it could have just been my lids, you know. The point is kind of more of that stiffer material, not like flexible, but it's not bad or anything. Like, I really don't have any complaints about this product. It worked really well. All right, last two products are palettes, which I was pretty excited to see. So one of them I did customize, and of course I'm always going to go for that eyeshadow palette because that's what I like collecting apparently, is eyeshadow palettes. But anyways, so my last customization on the box is this Fenty palette. It's the Fenty Beauty 4 palette or whatever it's called. It's 4 Rose is the palette name, I guess. I don't know. This retails for $30, and here's what the shades look like. I didn't use this one today. I used the other palette that's in my box, but this one does look really nice and pretty, and I'm curious to try it out. So there's that. Alright, and then last but not least is the other palette that was in my box, and this is the Alloy, I think is how you say it, Alloy, I don't know, eyeshadow palette, but it's a Natasha Denona palette, which I was pretty excited to see in the box. But here is what it looks like. And this retails for $48, and this is what I'm wearing on my lids right now. It's what I use to make the eye look. Alright, so that's everything in the box, and I'm just going to go ahead and tally up the price so that you guys know the overall value, and then after that I'll do a final run through and let you guys know my opinion of the box. Alrighty, so the overall value for this box is $208, which is not too bad considering what I paid for the box, which I think is still around $40-ish. I don't know, I'll have to review it again because I don't know how it works. I'll need to find out more about what all the changes are from this box. But anyways, so overall thoughts, I'm pretty happy with everything that I got. So as for the skincare products, you know, I don't mind getting a moisturizer and or eye cream. So 2 out of the 6 products in the box were skincare. So that's not too bad. I prefer way more makeup over skincare ratio. So I'm pretty happy with what I got. And then for the actual makeup products, I'm pretty happy with everything. I like the sponges. I don't like getting sponges all the time, but I think these are pretty nice quality ones, so that's always a bonus. The liquid liner, again, I don't mind getting liquid liners every now and then, and this one's actually a pretty decent one, so that's always nice. And then the other 2 products, which I guess, like, I didn't have to have 2 palettes in the box. I mean, I don't mind getting 2 palettes, but, I mean, a lip product probably would have been nice, but I customized this, and I don't remember what the other option was. There might have been another option for another makeup option, but I can't remember if it was. But either way, I don't mind getting 2 palettes. I really like eyeshadow palettes, so I don't mind getting 2. And these seem to be pretty decent ones. Like, I really do like the Natasha one. It worked. I guess I didn't really talk about it when I used it. Let me pull it out so I can talk about it. I forgot. Sorry. I'm kind of all over the place. I feel like it's been so long since I've done a Boxycharm unboxing. But anyways, the palette was really nice. The shades worked out beautifully. I used every single shade in here. I used this as my overall shade, then I use this in my crease, and then I use this to deepen out the outer corners. I use this shimmer shade for the most part all over the lid, and then I put this one in kind of more in the inner corner, just to give a little more, like a little bit of a definition of pop of color, just to break up the other shimmer shade. I don't know, I just wanted to try to use them all up. But anyways, this one's really good quality. So far, all the Natasha 5-pan eyeshadow palettes that I've tried have been pretty good quality, so that's nice. And then, yeah, I'm pretty excited to try this one out. I think I have gotten one of these Fenty palettes before. It was in a different shade, but yeah, if I remember correctly, it wasn't a bad quality or anything. I think maybe the shades were just not really to my liking, but I don't mind pink, so I'll definitely try this one out and see if I like it. But overall, I think this box was worth it, in my opinion. I'm pretty happy with it, and I'm pretty excited to see what the other boxes will look like in the future. Yeah, so far, so good. Let's hope that they stay like this for a while, at least, you know, because sometimes Boxycharm is either hit or miss. But yeah, this is a good starting point. So yeah, that's all I really have to say. I do really like the fact that you can customize 3 products in the box now. I think that's really cool. I don't know how many you're going to be able to customize with the Boxy Luxe box, but I'll keep you up to date once that comes around. But yeah, that is going to do it for today, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up because that really does help with my channel. And also let me know down in the comments what you guys thought of my box. But other than that, I hope you guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful week. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!